What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fluffy Mexicani coming back with another video. Last time it was disassembly and cleaning of the transmission. Now we're gonna put it back together. So let's get this thing started. Alright, well now I got the correct rust bearing. I did measure it. Didn't record that. For us to know. So I'm gonna slap this in. Forgot to clean the bell housing, so I'm gonna have to do that also.
What the fuck?
And then we'll seal up this transmission, replace some seals. Maybe we'll slap it in the car in this video. If not, it'll have to be the next one. Alright? For all these haters that say I don't know what a torque wrench is, boy, calm down. Yo, this banana pudding shake from Whataburger smacks. Although I did order chocolate banana pudding shake. They messed up, but it still smacks, boy. change out the axle seals when I have it apart. I always end up doing it last. But whatever. Let's do it. Gotta put on the seal back there. Oh, anywho, rude. Yeah. Anyways, this your boy Fluff, and you already know that Cvt assembly is 100. As far as we do, 100% rebuilt. And that's gonna be all for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment, tell me what you think about it. And most of all, if you're a new viewer, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. It's a lot of stuff that's going to be on this page. I'm trying to rebuild my page because I had to take everything down. I'm going to keep saying this every dang video too. We need to get the views up. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. OGs, thank you for sticking around through that horrible time I went through. It's very much appreciated, and I will thank y'all in a different way soon. I promise. That'll be it for today's video. Tomorrow, well, for the video right now, because I need to put the transmission back in the vehicle, which may be a different video because this one's already too long. I need to see how much storage I have left in my phone. And it's already getting late. I need a monster. Deuce!